Hello everyone! Today I will make a banana bread. Here are my ingredients guys. My polyripe banana, my eggs, melted butter, walnuts, sugar, flour, vanilla extract, baking soda, and salt. The complete measurements is in my description. Now guys, I will start mixing all these ingredients. First, I will mix all the liquid one, then followed by the dry ingredients. This is my vanilla. Then, I will put this butter because it's also liquid before this one become hard. And, of course, my eggs. Wait, guys, I just need to, my hands. I don't like sticky. Then I will mix this, guys. Once I mix this, I will mix all these liquid one first. Then I will add the dry ingredients. And this is my baking soda and salt. Baking soda and salt. My sugar. The last one that I will put, guys, is my flour. I will mix all these ingredients first. Then this is my walnuts. Walnuts is our favorites. That's why we usually add walnuts. But you guys, you can add whatever you want. Some they add raisin. But we just want walnuts. And this is my flour. My flour. I'll just mix this, guys. Then, after I mix this, I will put this in the baking pan. Bake this for 1 hour with a heat of 350 Fahrenheit. That's all, guys. Just simple and easy. Simple and easy. I don't want to use a mixer because it's better just by hands. My banana, guys, is polyripe. Polyripe is better. Mix, mix, mix. I will take out this mess and I can put this in the... I can put this in my baking pan. Oh. I guess this is good. Reheat my oven for 350. Bake. Reheat my oven, guys, for 350 because I need to bake this for 1 hour. Now this is good now, guys. In this pan, you guys, you can put either a butter, oil, or this cooking spray. I'm thinking what I will put. Cooking spray or just this one. I'll just use the cooking spray, guys. But if you don't have this cooking spray, you can use oil or butter. This one is just so that will not stick. That's all. Okay. That's good. And now I will pour this in my I will pour this in my baking okay, guys. The way I feel so like kind of too heavy, but it's not really. Yes. Now I'll just wait for my oven. I'll just wait for my oven to reach the temperature 350, and I will bake this for an hour, guys. Hello everyone. Now here is the product of our banana bread. Now it's time for me to slice it, guys, so that we can have some snack. I will slice this and I will put this in the platter, guys. Okay, I'll just put this closer. Oh, by the way, guys, my hands is clean. I wash my hands. After I put the gloves, I wash my hands with the gloves so that the gloves is clean also. Now I will put this in the plates, guys. I'll put this in the plate. I'll just, this here. Oh, put this in the plate so that we can have some snack. Now I can remove my gloves now. Wait. That's my eyeglasses. Ready this for washing. Hello guys, this is our banana bread. Look, this is banana walnuts bread. We love walnuts, guys. So that's what we put in our banana bread. Some they put raisins, but you can put whatever you want.